The 6-page business plan system. What if I told you the difference between struggling entrepreneurs and thriving business owners isn't more funding, better luck, or even superior skills? It's 6 simple pages. That's it. Just 6 pages that most people never create. I've worked with hundreds of businesses through DreamSoft Technologies, and the pattern is crystal clear. Those who take time to map out these 6 critical areas consistently outperform those who don't. Today, I'm breaking down the exact framework that transformed my approach to business planning, and I'm giving you the template completely free. Link in description. Why your business plan don't attract investors. Here's what nobody tells you about starting a business. Having a great idea isn't enough. Being passionate isn't enough. Working 80-hour weeks definitely isn't enough. Most entrepreneurs are building the plane while flying it. They're marketing without messaging, selling without strategy, growing without goals, and wondering why everything feels so chaotic. The traditional response? Write a massive 40-page business plan that takes months to complete and looks impressive collecting dust on a shelf. But here's the truth. That approach is outdated and impractical for modern entrepreneurs. What you actually need is something lean, actionable, and designed for real-world implementation. Download free template of 6-page business plan, link in description. The revelation. After years of trial and error, I discovered something powerful. Business planning isn't about creating the perfect document. It's about creating clarity. Clarity about what you're building, who you're serving, and how you'll get there. This framework isn't theory. It's battle-tested across multiple industries and business models. And the best part? You could complete it in a single focused afternoon. The framework. Page 1, Foundation Blueprint. Your first page establishes your foundation. Think of it as your business's identity card. You'll define your business structure, location, and core offering. But here's what most people miss. You need a crystal clear mission statement, not corporate jargon, a real driving force that explains why you do what you do. Then create your accountability chart. Who owns marketing, operations, finances? When everyone knows their role, execution becomes exponential. Page 2, Message Architecture. This is where most businesses fail. They know what they sell, but they can't articulate why anyone should care. Your message architecture answers the fundamental questions. What problem are you solving? What transformation are you creating? Who needs this solution? Here's the game changer. Develop your proprietary system. What's your unique approach to delivering results? This isn't just marketing, it's how you differentiate yourself in a crowded marketplace. When you can clearly articulate your process, customers trust you before they ever buy from you. Page 3, Growth Engine. Now we get tactical. Your growth engine has 3 components working together. Visibility strategy. How will people discover you exist? Content, advertising, partnerships. Lead generation. Once they know you, how do you capture their attention and contact information? Conversion system. How do you transform interested prospects into paying customers? Here's a critical insight. You must identify where your ideal customers congregate. If you can't find groups of them, online communities, physical locations, specific platforms, you're going to struggle. This single insight has saved countless entrepreneurs from wasting months on the wrong audience. Page 4, Offer Optimization. Choose one primary product or service to build your business around. I know you might offer multiple things, but marketing becomes infinitely easier when you have a flagship offer. For your primary offer, define 3 layers. The product, what you're actually selling, the result, what outcome it creates, and the impact, how this changes your customer's life. For example, we don't sell website development, we sell the result of a professional online presence, which creates the impact of credibility, increased leads, and business growth. Understanding this distinction transforms how you communicate value. Page 6, Operations and Delivery. This page outlines how you actually fulfill your promises. What's your production process? What systems ensure consistency? What resources do you need? Many entrepreneurs skip this, then wonder why they can't scale. You can't delegate or automate what you haven't documented. Page 7. Goal framework. Forget complex projections if you're just starting out. Set clear, measurable goals instead. I recommend 2 time frames. 1-year goals, your immediate focus areas, and 5-year goals, your long-term vision. Track metrics that matter: revenue, profit, customers served, and product development milestones. Here's the key: make them specific and deadline-driven. Increased revenue is a wish. Reach $250K in annual revenue by December 31st is a goal. The transformation. When you complete these 6 pages, something remarkable happens. The fog lifts, you stop making random decisions and start making strategic moves. You know what to work on today because you know where you're going tomorrow. This isn't about creating a perfect document. It's about creating a working blueprint that guides your daily decisions. The businesses that thrive aren't necessarily the ones with the best ideas. They're the ones with the clearest plans and the most consistent execution. Take action now. I've created a complete template of this 6-page business plan system, and you can download it absolutely free. The link is in the description below. But here's my challenge. Don't just download it, schedule 90 minutes on your calendar this week to actually complete it, because knowledge without implementation is just entertainment. If this framework helped you gain clarity, hit that like button and subscribe to Dreamsoft Technologies Canada for more practical business strategies. What's the biggest challenge you're facing in your business right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and often create content based on your questions. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building your freedom, your impact, and your legacy. Make it count. Thanks for watching. Like and comment your business name and from which city are you tuning in, and subscribe for more.